The moment I stopped doing this particular mistake, my fluency has increased. Yes, friends. When I was in my initial journey, I was doing a very big mistake, and it was the mistake which is made by many of the learners, and because of which we always feel our English is not up to the mark. We are making some mistakes every single time when we open our mouth, we speak with hesitation. And you know why this is happening? It happens just because of you compare yourself with others. And I have come across many learners, and they have mentioned this particular issue with me, and they always want to overcome this issue. However, they can't do it. They also want to get fluency, they also want to speak without fear. But the thing is that just because of their this particular action which they always repeats, because of which they are lagging behind, they are not able to get fluency. It's very simple, it's very common being a human. It's a human trait, I would say. All of us, we always compare ourselves with others. When it comes to our look, when it comes to our dressing sense, when it comes to our appearance, when it comes to everything, we always compare ourselves with others. And only this comparison makes us to feel down in the dumps. Even it happened with me several times when I used to have sessions in my initial days, and when I most of the time when I used to have sessions, especially with the speaker who used to speak better than me, who speaks better than me, I used to compare myself with them. I used to compare my fluency with their fluency. I used to compare myself, my vocabulary, the kind of words which I used to use with them, because I always had that regret that my English is not up to the mark. I'm not good enough. I'm always lagging behind, no matter how much efforts I'm putting every single day, but I'm not improving because I used to compare myself with others. But one day I learned a lesson. I watched a video, and that video has changed my mindset that we should not compare ourselves with anyone because everyone has their own circumstances. Some people, they have facilities for learning English language. They have environment, and maybe they put lots of efforts. So instead of comparing ourselves, we should focus on what we have and what we don't have. Suppose we don't have environment but we have time, so we can create our environment using that time. Okay, so the lesson which I really want to tell you in this particular video is that comparing yourself is not going to help you anymore. Instead, it's just going to make you feel embarrassed about it, or regret about something, that you're not able to speak English, you're not able to use advanced vocabulary, you're not able to speak English in a very good way, your pronunciation is not so good. if i compare self if I compare myself with others, especially the pronunciation or the articulation of the words, I will also feel something is missing. But when I think about myself, the way I used to speak earlier and the way I used to speak right, the way I'm speaking right now, it has totally changed. Earlier, I used to just speak, but now I am speaking using my hand gesture. I am speaking with confidence, and I'm speaking with a particular pronunciation, with good pronunciation. The intonation, voice modulation, I have worked on everything. But once I was zero, but now I consider myself as a hero. So you are supposed to do the same thing. No matter how much people are going to judge you, no matter people, they are laughing at you, they are judging you, they are pulling you back. Don't let any of these reasons hold you back. You have to always give yourself, give your 100%. You have to always put your heart and soul into learning English language, and after that, then there is no need to worry about anything. And this is the one and only thing which has helped me to gain confidence. Earlier, I didn't have any confidence the moment I stopped comparing myself with others. Okay, because I used to watch videos of advanced speakers or intermediate speakers, but I was having at that time beginner level, so I didn't used to make advanced sentence structures, advanced sentences. I used to speak very simple English, and the moment I got this realization, I just stopped it, because that was the biggest mistake I made, and because of which I regretted in my past life. But I don't want to regret in my life. No matter what I'm doing, no matter what I'm speaking, but I consider myself that I am the best. If I am getting something in my life, then just because of I have definitely put some efforts. That's why I'm speaking English confidently. Around myself, there are many people. Some of my family members are there in the field, but I'm speaking. So it means I have gained confidence. That's why I'm speaking before them. But earlier, I was not able to, I didn't have gut. I didn't have courage to open my mouth in front of them. But now I have. The place where I'm sitting right now, it is really very close to my heart. It is full of nature, it is full of greenery, and I love them. And it is happening because of this nature, because this nature has helped me. These people have helped me, and of course, my comparison with myself has helped me, because when I used to compare myself others, it didn't help me. But the moment I started comparing myself with my past version, I got something that yes, I am improving. I'm on the right track. I'm on the right path. Now I'm on the verge of accomplishing my dreams. So I became elated. I just reached over the moon, and slowly and gradually now I have reached. So it is my lesson, it is my suggestion to everyone जो भी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहता है, मेरी आपसे बस एक ही सलाह है कि अपने आप को कंपेयर करना छोड़ दो। जब तक आप अपने आप को खुद से कंपेयर करते रहोगे, आप जीवन में कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे। चाहे वो अपने आपके रूप को लेकर हो, चाहे आपकी पढ़ाई को लेकर हो, चाहे रंग को लेकर हो, बट स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ, एंड आफ्टर दैट everything will be waiting for you. Your each and every goal will wait for you. Okay, and you are definitely going to achieve each and every goal of yours which you have set for you to achieve. So start believing in yourself, and just hit the nail. And I'm just going to say you, break a leg.